Hi there everyone. So I want to show you a recipe with chicken drumsticks. So I have about 10 here, and I drizzled extra virgin basil and garlic flavored olive oil. Then I added whole Canadian chicken rub, 2 tablespoons of that, kosher salt, ground black pepper, and about a cup of corn flour. So once you do that, you're gonna mix in everything together very well. Okay, so now we're gonna take our drumsticks, and it's already coated with the oil, so this way it's gonna be pretty sticky, and we can dip the chicken drumsticks. Okay, so once you do that, okay, you can do it very well to get all the places. You're gonna take a baking sheet. I already did 2 of them. You're gonna again drizzle this extra virgin olive oil here on the bottom, and then you're gonna put the chicken legs here. So you're gonna bake it at 425 for about 35 to 45 minutes. It has to reach 165 temperature inside the chicken to know that it's ready. So keep an eye on it between 35 and 45 minutes. So hopefully enjoy this, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.